Speciation. Speciation is a process of forming new species when variations occur in geographically isolated members, which leads to reproductive isolation where members of some species do not reproduce with each other. Migration of members of a population with subtle changes into another population will help in spreading of new traits into new population. Genetic drift, that is, elimination of certain genes from a population due to natural calamity or death, will bring change in gene frequency. Variations also accumulate when inaccuracies occur in the DNA copying mechanism. Change in chromosome number may also cause drastic differences in two subgroups. Sexual reproduction also causes variation. Geographical barrier or geographical isolation, like intervention of river or mountain between two subgroups of population, causes decrease in level of gene flow. Reproductive isolation occurs between two subgroups, which means two subgroups develop traits which do not allow them to mate with each other.